city. It's currently price is so low. 0 point, you have to count 0.0000126 city. Very less, but it is also same mean con, just like Dogecoin. See how much they pumped, but that's still a lot of zeros. Yeah, people bought here and thought that it would go further, but it actually dumped like hell. See, from his all-time high, it's currently minus 80%, 87%, like huge. Then there is our next coin, which is Ethereum. Very good project. Second, crypto, which has basically the highest volume cap after Bitcoin. Pretty famous. You can see currently its price is 1579. Recently, it did the move. See, it's like 27%. Like nice. So yeah. Ethereum is a very good project. You can invest on this for a long time. There's tons of things they're doing in the metaverse, in the Web3 space. Then there's project which is my favorite one. Solana. There was another thing about Ethereum. They like a whole NFT space on their blockchain. So this is the most hyped up and most famous blockchain for NFTs, which is Ethereum. Very high volume. Right there, Solana, you can see, has also down so bad. Now you see. There it is, sorry. Lost volume. So Solana is currently sitting at $32.28, which is very low from their top high.